Today's money tip is pound cost averaging. So what is pound cost averaging? It's paying yourself into a bank account or into an investment vehicle every single month without fail. So when the market's high, you buy less assets, number of assets. When the market's low, you're going to be buying more assets, and overall, over time, it's going to even out better than if you put your money in as a lump sum. It's also going to reduce your stress and worry, and it almost makes the market, the ups and downs of the market, irrelevant, because you're putting your money in during the good time and you're putting your money in during the bad time. So it's going to reduce your stress and worry. It's going to save you time having to look at the ups and downs of the market, and it's going to save you money in the long term. So today's money tip is pound cost averaging. My name's Doig. I'm the Financial Times shortlisted author of Millennial Money Mindset, the creator of Football Formation, Asset Allocation, and the founder of Money Tips. We're different. We educate, inspire, and coach better investing to give you a happier life. So yeah, please like, please subscribe, and please tell a friend about this channel, Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruits, you need the roots. Thanks so much.
Money mindset.
I think that sounds alright.